legends and everyone must stop complaining. Durban City bene strategy bayenza izinto zayenzeka. Sizoyi break down leyo game leyo ama mistake we Orlando Pirates and what Durban City did right. Also, Claude Lilepo is very childish. Yini lento ayenza at professional level sonke sazi ukuthi mawukhumula iskip uzothola yellow card yena instead wathole S2 wathole red card. Now abola Mtutu FC mele badlala another game without him. Lastly, Miguel Cardoso can't celebrate the CAF Champions League because I winonga uye iwinwe ama player. Bafethu, welcome to another episode of Nkuli versus Mdu. Sesinesikhathi nyana singekho live mara besihlala se live angazi iyenze sense lento engisho.
Danke bafethu, siyabonga ukusijoina, siyajabula ukukhomenta kwena ama-commentweni nokusithuka just nje uku-engage. As for Orlando Pirates, oqala ngayo Orlando Pirates team enkulu yase Orlando but akusi team enkulu yase Soweto.
No. Yabona manje
ne. Team enkulu yase Soweto.
Wena so wrong. Uncanana wasn't wrong in his statement. Wena so yadelela manje mawuthi team enkulu yase Soweto. It's a big team in South African football. It's a big team in African football. Mawabala ma team amakhulu South Africa Orlando Pirates ikhona lapha. Orlando Pirates is the second biggest brand after ma Springboks in South Africa.
Okay. Na into ngizamukisho Orlando Pirates yango 1937 ne. It's not the most successful team in terms of ama league. It's not the successful team in terms of ama cup. It's not the most successful team on the continent. So angazi ukuthi inkulu kuphi so iOrlando Pirates. So ngiyamangala but asingenene endabeni zeDurban City but asingenene endabeni eDurban City bafethu. For mina bafethu ngila namhlanje ukuthi ngizokhuluma ngoncanana madoda ngiyamangala mina ukuthi abantu bamatheka kanje umfowethu bekumele enzeni uncanana bekumele banikele abashaye 6-0 noma abashaye 5-0 why bekumele banike Orlando Pirates League nabo badlalela iTop 8 angithi and ukuthi nina nifuna ukuthi uncanana akhulume anesama feelings wamanye amadoda if uncanana kumele azi explain bafowethu akusi problem yakancanana ukuthi thina sinabo grade 3 asikwazi ukumuzwa kahle ukuthi uthini kumele azi explain kubantu yabo ayikho into wrong ayenzile Orlando Pirates is just a name ngoba mawubheka Orlando Pirates i-team yakudala team enkulu njengoba shila umdu i-team enkulu yase Orlando vele so kumele akhulume njengendoda uncanana beka understand ukuthi laphana basempini against Orlando Pirates abana chance pound to pound ama players Orlando Pirates wonke akhona in the next 15 years uzoba ngekho lawo ma player lawo kusala igama le Orlando Pirates kuza namanye ama players oba andi Orlando Pirates ukuthi ba weak abantu ba soft abantu akusi problem kancanana leyo bafethu zamani ukuba strong nani ezamadoda ngingafuni ukuneswa.
I think inkinga kakhulu lana ama legend webhola angithi kunama legend ebekwa ama player kunama legend ayenza yini anyone who's involved in football who's a legend kwi involvement yabo they took what uncanana said out of context
exactly.
And bayithatha baba dramatic bagcwala nakuma social media sebafuna ukuhlasela lo mjidala esport if uke wadlala esport uya understand ukuthi number 1 esport in a banter. Number 2, ku sports we become so competitive ukuthi siyaphikisana. Angithi that's why ama Springboks now wadlala i New Zealand mabayenza leya war cry yaba ama Springbok bona bayabambana bayababheka. Bayababonisa ukuthi asensabi noma ningayenza lento niyenza. So what uncanana meant he didn't mean ukuthi Orlando Pirates is just a name as in Orlando Pirates team nje. He said masingena sidlala. Orlando Pirates is just a name. Shoot ngiyakhohlwa mina nokuthi ngidlala against amajita adlalela Orlando Pirates ngizibona ngidlala against amanye ama player. So asiyekeni ukuhlasela uncanana ngento engekho iDurban City idlale kahle iDurban City bayenzile into abayenzile ngiyaphikisana nabo Mfukeng abathi lento abayenzile bajime the whole week. Well of course bajime the whole week just like how nabo bajime the whole week to fail to break low block eDurban City. Bajimile the whole week abahlula Durban City pound for pound that day in terms of ball playing Orlando Pirates sayip mara the fact ukuthi Durban City ithe siyamala anizukora la anizukwenza nix iDurban City for mina they were successful and they did nothing wrong. Coach should be proud of his strategy sakhe and he should be proud of ama player wakhe and I'm proud of uncanana for the first time sinomuntu competitive okhuluma 99 ukhuluma njengathi
ukhuluma 99 siyaku-invite la ku show off season sikufuna la ku Omni Audio Prime yazi but to be honest masiye gaming Orlando Pirates ayidlalanga kahle lapha phambili yazi why ngithi ayidlalanga kahle babafuna ukudlala ama long balls mntu ubonile la game le khona la woswena police I think ama moments wakhe ayi3 or ayi4 ufuna ukushaya kude and khona le abadlalile yazi khona le khona bayidlalile kamnandi woswena police une option ukuthi ashaye through pass kulo kubani lo amjita lo uTito but hayi woswena police ufuna ukushaya out of the blue ufuna ukushaya from a distance
angimblame like uTito bekangekho kula game uTito slow down la game leya uTito kunalabe kumele ukuthi uyacrossa khona ugityo mfana ngisho ugijima kwakhe alanda ibhola I don't understand that's kunento and ukuthi abantu iqiniso abalifuni nabantu bayalisaba iqiniso
basoft abantu basoft
uTito ufana no coach wethu unenhlanhla He's a very lucky guy Tito. The reason ngithi unenhlanhla kunama game azongena kore ne abangadlalanga kahle. But because ukorile and then mawungena kuma socials wonke umuntu wetito, then we don't want to talk about the style of play sakhe nendlela akadlale ngayo. The same as uRelebohile Mofokeng. I've been saying a lot ukuthi uMofokeng inconsistent.
Ugcine nokudlala igame egood uReal.
Ngamazulu. That's the last time adlale kahle kule game yamaZulu lapha yena noNdaba abashayela ama 1-2 aphasela uNdaba ambekela bese Mofokeng
place. Why ucoach if uReal Mofokeng akana plan kwamanye ama game angamreplace?
So I think that's the issue enkula nayo coach Abdeslam Moari. Number one, he's a confused coach, but arrogant lamchitalo. Arrogant lamchitalo, and the reason ngisho so ngathi ila ma coach lawa thanda ukuprove ufana no Hugo Bruce. Ila ma coach athanda ukuprove la mafeni point ukuthi angeke ngize ngimamela umsindo wenu noma nithini. If Mofokeng is not having a good game imkeep. And ma umkeep uyamsave because the longer you keep him umbona ukuthi is not having a good game, then now lo mfana uzoba frustrated and then opposition iyaphakamisa. It becomes an advantage for opposition ukuthi i-star players sabo zikho segame namhlanje must shoot nathi singabalanda nathi singayidlala igame emnandi. So ucoach Abdeslam Moari with the reasoning it is a arrogant coach. Number one uMbuthuma uyambona ukuthi lo mjita akaletha ama results mfethu uyazibonela uyambona ukuthi uMbuthuma akaletha ama results but he continues to play him.
We respect uMbuthuma ushaya attack in lapha ne ground and uyagijima.
Yeah, asifuni respect sifuna ama goal. Asifuni respect sifuna ama goal. Mawubheka futhi number 2 ngithi arrogant lo mjita lo. Isizini mayiqala bekadlalisa uMasindini emthajela kakhulu kule position kaMbatha. Until abona ukuthi kushubile. Owadi bafethazi iclever leya. Makumshubela azwenzani? Ulanda lesa scheme sala season saka Rivero. Uletha lezathi idlalana. Mase kumshubele makabona ngathi ama player wakhe are not raising to the occasion. He's arrogant ngoMasindini emthajela, ngoYanela Mbuthuma, ngoDion. Arrogant ngala ma player la wadlala nomabona naye noNdaba. Uyabadlala babona ukuthi bafethu labantu abadingi.
Radio Pan.
You understand? Abench umabasa noMaghuba mfethu. Aqala isizini ngeRadio Pan wenzeni uRadio Pan? Wenzeni uRadio Pan? So I think the biggest issue ku Orlando Pirates that could now affect them also next season ama decision waka coach. Especially mfana nabazoya ku CAF ngifuna ukubona kuzoba nzima kakhulu ku CAF. You can't tell me uzohamba uyodlala iCAF Champions League ngoYanela Mbuthuma. You can't tell me uzohamba uyodlala iCAF Champions League and depend on uMasindini emthajela to be umuntu ongena from the bench and change the complexion of game because yamshaya amchitalo yani image reading.
Mina into engizoyisho ku Orlando Pirates yabona na into positive ngeOrlando Pirates njengoba nithi ngiyayizonda iPirates ne Orlando Pirates this season bafethu idlale kahle kakhulu yabo idlalile Orlando Pirates bheka i-record in terms of ama points abawo collectile this season but ngifile ngathi Orlando Pirates squad abanaso this season nama game abawadlalile bekumele benze kangcono in terms of like uconverter ama chances abawatholayo ileague nhlezi ngisho week in and week out ngiyasho ukuthi ileague ngabe kudala iphelile bafethu if Orlando Pirates beyi right lapha phambili ngiyabona ukuthi the team ay concede le team lena amagoli but ke uconvert ama opportunities abawatholayo bawathola ama opportunities but lapha phambili kuleka nje lonto leyo next season Orlando Pirates mele ithole striker bazosithola strike ubani strike engathi ocabanga ukuthi maybe Orlando Pirates singafika shintsha izinto.
If sizothatha istriker ku Betway Premiership I think mele balandele umfana uDion. And I don't know kanjani negotiate neMamelodi Sundowns for Peter Shalulile because it seems iSundowns ngathi ayisenabo bona ama plan for Shalulile sekabakorele seba right angithi abafocus ku Dion and angeke basipho iCram Rainers. So I think Orlando Pirates mayikokode lapha eTlorikop bacela uPeter Shalulile bahamba bayolanda lo mfana lo Dion because le situation is striker ku Orlando Pirates ayifuni kuphela strike esi1 uPeter Shalulile ayi1 won't be the solution ephelele but nakungaba nalezi Z3 because there's a chance umabasa might be leaving this season and uMbuthuma naye mele ahambe mele bamrelease uYanela Mbuthuma is not offering Orlando Pirates anything ayikho into akayenzayo akakori akakwazi ukutrepa uyawe boxini
ama legend bathi uMbuthuma ubalekile for igame Orlando Pirates yabo ueda something yabo unawo le energy le same thing as evidence Maghuba bathi yabo baeda something but i-strike mina i-problem enginayo nayo uyi-strike udume ngokuthi awukori kodwa uyi-strike esha 6 goals a season mina lento le bafethu ngeke ngibe right ngayo ukuthi strike esize team but isina 6 goals. Mnganami ngifuna singene ku Slap. uSlap is one of my favorite players. Mina ngambona uSlap last season. First game yakhe uSlap ngamdatha ngathi hayi imbomba ayike. Lo muntu lo ayikho indaba yakhe. Second game wathola man of the match. I won't forget because uyi player eligude kakhulu. Uhlala ebenchini season yonke. When it matters the most la i-team ejelile kahle right khona for isizini yonke bayazana lapha bayazi ukuthi badlala kanjani ama game nangu uSlepe bafuna ukum expose kule game lenkulu la bekumele ngabe bayam protecta khona if bebafuna ukum introduce kancane yabo naye gain confidence udlalile ukudlala umfana but ishape lapha eswini leye Orlando Pirates season yonke kusho ukuthini lokhu ngocoach kusibonisana ngocoach Orlando Pirates njengobusho ukuthi wena awuyibona indaba yamjida
nkululeko mina ngizoba nefa I think mfana number 1 ne uSlepe for mina if bekadlalile throughout this season kube sikhuluma a different story kube yahamba this season ya overseas because compared to lamfana lapha esiswini ungikhumbuza uSergio Busquets somehow they were yadlala ngakhona there was even la kule game eDurban City ngimncomile last niyasho ukuthi kuye at least udlalile nanoma bathi bamfake ngesikhathi esirong but at least udlalile and kunalabe kayeshama tena right a release ibhola ngesikhathi esi right unfortunately bam substitute again confidence yakhe yenzani iyayehla but I think ucoach Abdeslam Moad uzama ukusebotaja lo mfana mina for mina uzama ukumsebotaja the reason ngisho so angeke umhlalise the whole season bese on a day la eOrlando Stadium overpacked kuphume emshone supporter lase Limpopo mfethu ne supporter lase Cape Town liflyile abantu beza because a lot of us were hoping Orlando Pirates izoshaya Durban City and lift the trophy so lo mfana lona makangena stadium abona abantu abangaka ekudala agcine ukudlala phambi kwabo wenzakalana uzotatazela but he proved the coach wrong but because ucoach Abdeslam Moad like I said he's a very arrogant coach nanoma abonile ukuthi lo mfana wenzeni and what is capable of still angeke azamdlala uzomthatha mbeke ebenchini uyahamba yolanda imidfield apha kuma Rumo Gallants ayilethe izodlala la. You can't tell me ukuthi a coach that has never coached a big team, that has never been under pressure, that has never competed for the league uzomthemba wena ukuthi uzohamba kulandela ama results. If Pirates wins this league it's because of the players not the coach.
Into engichazile kule game lena ileague bafeja iwina ku TikTok ku Facebook na ku Instagram no ileague iwina egroundini. Abanye abantu iDurban City isuke mina bengicabanga ukuthi iDurban is just a city bafethu bengacabanga ukuthi iDurban ingafika imoshe Soweto yabo. So I was confused mangibona ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba abantu beba ready ngamabhiya ngama-price tender iDurban City afika khahlela kwasani lapha nathi no iphathi ngeke ibe khona la if kuzoba nephathi iphathi izoba lembombela not under ulo uncanana lapha nemuva yabo but ama-fans Orlando Pirates yiwa win league than i-team yabo sebayiwinile khona into bebayiprintile lapha bathi champions bebashutha nezithombe so ngiyawathanda ama-fans Orlando Pirates ngoba ne-bravado persona the unfortunate part ukuthi akusibo abadlala egroundini labantu league ngabe bayiwina first round of the season.
I think also as much as singakhala sithi Pirates bekumele iwine kule game leya as bengiphuma lapha stadium because thina angithi thina sama supporter weqiniso siyahamba stadium asisupport online asisupport online
do supporter straight
siyahamba thina stadium the way bemnandi the way le game bebaleke bekuphume nami nami ngisethi nge-stadium
nami bekumele ngiye stadium kodwa nina ngiyazi ukuthi nizonginika inkinga
mina angeke ngiye ema-game ne-Chiefs but after igame mangiphuma lapha mangibheka the way mfana bekugcwele ngakhona bekunganani indawo zokuhlala mina bengihlele ema-stepsini that's how packed it was if Orlando Pirates had won that game binabantu bebangalimala a lot could have happened because it's been 14 years le team ingakawini cup so somehow as much as besifisa Pirates win that day for me it's a blessing in disguise ukuthi abo wina ngalela because a lot could have happened besizofuna maybe amafana amaningi bayafuna ukujumpela stadium inside egroundini bekuyokwenzakala izinto eziningi yabo you might even find that let's especially bathi goal lakhona liphuma ngabo 80 something uref beka ngamela aqede negame athi le game ayisaqhubeki because of the way stadium besoba sehlanya ngakhona nani yabo so at least maki wembombela it's a smaller stadium so a lot of us know ukuthi ntwana mangathenga ngiticket by Wednesday ihlala endlini uyibhekelele ekhaya uhambe uyibheka lapha kwa Jabu's Tavern if kunama tavern ekhasi lakho yabo so somehow I think iDurban City is a blessing in disguise for Orlando Pirates.
So heading to the match lena Orbit College siyazi ukuthi yabo nami ngiyasho bafethu Orbit College ayina chance against Orlando Pirates but awucabanga ukuthi maybe ama player Orlando Pirates amanye angatatazela because manje bayibambile league ngesandla esisodwa yabo sokukuthuka sokuyilento leyo yabo awucabanga ukuthi maybe bangacindezeleka
ama players AEP team ku PSL Orbit College ke ya defender kahle ya defender against on AEP team
so asibuyele khona
angeke Orbit College idle Orlando Pirates
no
if you are a football supporter and you think Pirates is going to lose against the Orbit College you are delusional angeke iPirates idliwe i-Orbit College it's impossible ngeke iyenzeke
no it's okay ngiyakuzwa ukuthi umdu it's impossible if game i-Orbit College versus Orlando Pirates Orlando Stadium bafethu ngiyakhumbula igame yakhona i-Orbit College that day ya dominate Orlando Pirates yawina ngenhlanhla Orlando Pirates ngifuna nikhumbula igame yakhona aza smile no coach we-Orbit College asho ukuthi njo they did not take their chances so igame i-Orlando Pirates very powerful compared to i-Orbit College but i-preparation ne-game plan ye-Orbit College by 11 nabe Orlando Pirates by 11 imntu siyazi ukuthi Orlando Pirates ngayishaya i5 vele yabo ngayishaya i5 but ukumisela kwe-Orbit College mina I want to see i-Orbit College bafa lapha bafela lapha negroundini and give everything that they have
nami vele if bengidlalela Orbit College bengizoya give everything that I have so that maybe ngithole contract Orlando Pirates. You're not playing because you are going to win that game, you are playing because maybe you are just trying to survive ukuthi mina ngizohlala ku PSL that day ne Pirates mayidlala ne Durban City I said ukuthi Orbit College must pray Pirates wins because if iPirates yadliwa bazoya lapha na ku Orbit College bayo keep stress isale ya low block ngukutshela ziyakhala manje Jimini ziyakhala manje Jimini ucoach kumanje mpana uthatha ama defender wakhe wonke wamisa so uthi mfuke ngibhobozana uyabatshela ukuthi bhobozana and then utshela ama defender wakhe ukuthi bavaleni labantu abangabhobozi so Orbit College is in trouble. It's not Orlando Pirates that's in trouble, it's Orbit College that's in trouble. Number one, Orbit College is one of the weakest teams in the league with all due respect and Orlando Pirates is the strongest team in the league right now because bakora amagoli uhlula nomuntu wonke umuntu. As much as we can complain on the social city Orlando Pirates needs a prolific striker. Mina bayidinga for next season nabaya ku CAF. This season Umbuthuma no Makgopa were not really important because in midfield nabanye amajita came through and bakora amagoli nonetheless. You understand? So I think also the biggest problem here is that kunama legend abakwazi ukukhuluma izinto when you oppose lezi zinto lezi abazikhulumayo bayayithatha baba personal. Any legend othe iDurban City was wrong against Orlando Pirates, for me that legend wrong. iDurban City there's like ngiphendula umuntu as we speak iDurban City had every right ukuthi bahambe bayo defend against Orlando Pirates bekumele bafike bona bavule ukuthi Orlando Pirates ikora amagoli a5 iDurban City is a team in the PSL iDurban City is a team in the PSL eqeda ukwini Nedbank Cup bafethu banesithunzi so nabo bahambile bayo Orlando bayogcina isithunzi sabo. Next season iDurban City is going to be one of the most feared teams ku PSL. Even Chiefs and Sundowns nabadlala against Durban City they'll think about what they did against Orlando Pirates ukuthi bafethu phela labantu laba bayakwazi ukumark and credit to the players bona boncanana because nabo next season ama team angafika shathi ntwana yami usolid umnandi wena ungamsiza uPeterson uKwinika uyahluleka join Kaizer Chiefs udlale neAiden McCarthy you can help uPeterson you can help i-defense Chiefs. So what did Durban City did that day for me basibonisile ukuthi if you claim to be a big team you must be able number one to break a low block you must be able number two to play at your highest as a big team. You can't go play against Durban City maqeda lapho lokubhizushana namavula vala usitshela ukuthi uzokora ama goal go and score goals. So mina ngiphikisana na every legend othi Durban City was wrong ngiphikisana na every legend othi uncanana was wrong. Uncanana une competitive spirit, that's what we want in the league, that's what we want in sports ukuthi ubatshele ukuthi bafethu i-team yeni inkulu yes but mina mangene crowd in Orlando Pirates is just a name I want to win.
Yeah abantu bafuna ukuneswa inking and wona lawo ma legend or labantu laba bebathi Durban City ayidlalanga kahle bebathi hayi Orlando Pirates izosha 6 izosha 5 seyithathile league sekuya celebrate yazi amanye abantu mangi-interacta nabo yazi bathini ne batheni konje mangi-interacta nabo bathe day before match at Durban City bathi sesiyithathile league we've dominated, we've conquered South Africa manje we have to manje the plan is to conquer Africa and mawuthi uba ne conversation nabantu bakhona bafuna ukulalela abantu bakhona bafuna ukulalela kumele wena ulalele bona ukuthi bathini cabanga so bafethu asilithandeni ibhola but makwenzakala something kumele siba congratulate asibona isingisi
khuluma iveneke
we have to congratulate bafethu iDurban City ngepoint yabalitholile and balilwele lapha. Orlando Pirates bebangeke bavele bathi thathani league akusumse ubena bakumele bazithathele baba ama champions wangempela bakwazi ukuzithathela ileague so asinandaba mina anginandaba ukuthi abanye abantu bathini bafila kanjani bona banama views wabo ngeke mina ngisizwe ngabanye abantu silalela abanye abantu kumele sithi yes yonke into abayisho siyivume no mina ngeke ngiyivume le nto le. Durban City idlale kahle kakhulu and bayakhohlwa abantu ukuthi Durban City Maritzburg United is producer ama player amaningi kakhulu South African football. Maritzburg United bayakwazi ukuyirana kahle as a team abantu bathi nganana will be there next season when ama relegator ungenapho wena uncanana ukuhlulile hamba uyoshaya Orbit College 10-0 but when it mattered the most Orlando Stadium ku home ground yakho you failed to win.
And then before siqhubekela phambili kunento ngifuna ukukubuzisa yona.
Sure.
You're one of the few people bebagcwele ku social media bathi Pirates ngeke iziwin league.
Oh yes.
You're one of the few people bebagcwele ku social media uthi imagine uNkosinathi Sibisi lifting the Betway Premiership trophy. My biggest question now, because one of our legends uSjonile manje online ubaba Mthetho is being celebrated online because umile enegama lakhe lokuthi Orlando Pirates izoyiwin league. Mina nami kunala ngeke ngajika sengithukile ngibona kahle uthi la Pirates bafethu sekushubile. How does it feel right now to be a Pirates hater? Mawubona lento yenzakala. Feel inhliziyo injani? Mawubona lento yenzakala ubona ukuthi kahle kahle on Saturday yena lo Nkosinathi Sibisi benithi uyibhodlela eliphukayo. Yena lo Nkosinathi Sibisi benithi cabanga uNkosinathi Sibisi sekasikuki league. Wenenza ama video nithi yabona uNkosinathi Sibisi make wambona hathi. So yazi ukuthi kushubile. This Saturday uyiphakamisa. How does it feel?
Na ngizoqala la kubaba Mthetho. Ithi sikhulume ngobaba. Ubaba Mthethwa abantu abaningi badawuthile ukuthi mina badawuthile ukuthi Orlando Pirates beba back and forth bathi abanye bathi ayizoyiwina Orlando Pirates manje baphinde bathi ayiseyihambile league but ubaba yena zangashintshe yabo. I think boma 5 months 6 months nja since season iqalile beka lo wathi Orlando Pirates noma kuzoba nzima kangakanani but Orlando Pirates izoyiwina league. So angizomnika ngizothi kudos to ubaba ngokubelieve azange stop ukubelieve ukuthi Orlando Pirates izoyiwina league. Mina I still saying Orlando Pirates, I don't see Orlando Pirates win Betway Premier League. And le film lesiyibonile lapha Orlando Amstel Arena. Sobona manje part 2 yakhona lapha ku Orbit College. Orbit College izo surprise. Orbit College izokora kuqala, mark my words, yabo? Izokora kuqala. Then Orlando Pirates ke bazoba all over the place, ngeke bakwazi ukubalance igame. Orbit College nabo they have nothing to lose. They can still survive even if baya loser as long as imagesi ingathola ama results, yabo? Banga survive abaye kuma playoffs. So mabadlala ne Orlando Pirates under pressure la. Sibisi, you're not winning the league.
Ngithemba balaleli nazibonela ukuthi umfowethu uyaphuza lapha eThembisa nabo Lerato. Lento akayiphuzayo ijulile, lento akayiphuzayo inzima. These are one of the reasons bathi don't abuse alcohol. Nayizwa lento ekhuluma lo mjidele nje ukuthi ukukhuluma ikhandela imanzi. Ayikho lento akayikhulumayo. Orlando Pirates is not under pressure. But asingene kule ndaba le Mamelodi Sundowns. Bahambile bayodlala neAS FAR this weekend. This past weekend, and then Mamelodi Sundowns obviously a winner 1-0. When Mamelodi Sundowns mayibhekile. Sesikhuluma iqiniso lemhlophe manje asikhuluma into inhliziyo ezifisayo. Bazoyiwina le CAF.
Mamelodi Sundowns they will regret not taking their chances. Bazo regret abafowethu. Mamelodi Sundowns bekumele ishayele boma 4 baye laphana without pressure laphana eMorocco they would regret ngoba lapha eMorocco ngeke bawineke ukuwina ngeke bawini. So kuzobonakala ukuthi bazokwazi na ukulithola igoli noma bazo decide ukudefenda because uMiguel Cardoso ngiyamazi yena ngama offside trap yabo. And khona into engiyibonile abantu abangayinotisanga ndasikhuluma ngayo kule game le ngoba iSundowns iwathulile ama opportunities. First half le team layer ilandile iSundowns yasibonisa ukuthi ingakwazi ukupenetrate laphana emuva ngama counter attack yabo. Inayo lo element of danger le team le ukuthi bebangafuni ukuya all out ukattack bona as team ziyobuye eMorocco ngeke ibuye iSundowns eMorocco asazi ukuthi izo survive kanjani but le team le ngiyayibona mina isha 2 goals kuzobonakala ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns izo react kanjani. uMiguel Cardoso akusu good coach. uMiguel Cardoso une big budget lapha ku Sundowns una everything but yena uyasibonisa ukuthi akasi good coach. Ubheka ukuthi ureplace kanjani uMiguel Cardoso ama replacement wakhe obona ama subs wakhe uzibuza ukuthi lo muntu lo ucabanga kanjani ngempela yabo. So ngicabanga ukuthi iSundowns ukuthi iye phambili bafowethu. I won't be surprised uMiguel Cardoso ngeke abuye ne-flight eze South Africa iSundowns may collapse eMorocco uyofly ePortugal.
Mina into engingayisho ngishilo nayizolo ama player weMamelodi Sundowns wanted more than the coach. The players wanted more than the coach. Ama player weMamelodi Sundowns bajwayele ukuba ama champions man. Abo Tebogo Mokoena nokudlala kwakhe plays like a champion. Khuliso Mudau, Aubrey Mudiba, abo Grant Kekana nokhuluma nendamani so since afikile ku Sundowns nedimina yakhe seyichangeile na the way adlala ngakhona ibhola ostruggle nyana mara adjusta kancane. So the players are disappointed in themselves in the way they lost the league to the Pirates. You understand? But disappointed. Nale game le TS Galaxy iba disappointed. So I said it ukuthi uyodlala ifinal eCAF ungasi champion e-country nakho for me kunzima. Because now, especially if you're playing against a team esuku dominate ezweni labo, bona they are more motivated. Mamelodi Sundowns, should they win the CAF Champions League, they're gonna win it because of the players, not the coach. Bona coach abanaye. Coach aka understand into akayenzayo, coach akayazi into akayenzayo, but you have someone like uLeon mfana kithi uvela vumbuke ungamcabanganga noko igame yonke angadlala ungambonanga shama touch important mara nini ngene cross phakathi nini through ball phakathi and those are the things that South African strikers lack. Lezi zinto lezi uLeon akwazi le nto ekwazi kuma between ama defensive midfield ama defender ama central defender we2 ame phakathi kwawo we2 so nini laba nabalahla side uyophakamayo olishanga phakathi. So mina I think what could happen in Morocco, their team is a winner 1-0 and then Mamelodi Sundowns ithathe ngama penalty.
Leon bafethi master class siyazi ukuthi ugejile okugeja yena uLeon but khona le bhola abalicrossile ne wal trap kahle wathi vase kancane wal trap wapick isport phezulu kwamapali but nje izinto ezincane ziyasibonisa ukuthi uLeon uyakwazi ukuyithwala iMamelodi Sundowns. uLeon yena ama moments of brilliance unawo, if bangamnika ispace uLeon uzobaphanisha even nalaphana yabo. So sobona ukuthi mina Sundowns ngifisela inhlanhla ukuthi sithole istar number 2 but ayucoach we Sundowns bafethu and but khona umuntu bengimatheka we Sundowns a few weeks back or 2 weeks back uNdamane ngisho ukuthi akekho ready ukudlala iSundowns. Manje ngibuyile uNdamane udlala igame enhle kakhulu yabo, udefendile umfana azange atatazele. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyawabona ama video amNdamane, keep watching Omni Audio bafethu uzoba motivated and utshele nabangani bakhe abanye abanama mistake amaningi ukuthi babukele uNkuli. Mina ukuthi ngicriticize as a player ngifuna I want the best from wena because ngiyazi ukuthi ucapable ukuthi udlale kahle yabo. So same thing lento le Tingakhuluma ngezimnyama but yes focus ku Sundowns. Cabanga ukuthi Sundowns kuzoba nzima kakhulu but sobona ukuthi defense yakho izo react kanjani. But i-defense Sundowns mabayi attacker iyavuleka. Njalo mabayi attack iyavuleka. That team azange idlale phela.
But khumbula this game Kekana could play. And uKekana no Cupido nabadlala boyi2 baba compact bayakwazi ukuthi babe solid and then uNdamane would maybe might come on as a substitute. Mina leading to that game. If bengu coach Cardoso nene nyaza abantu abaningi bazophikisana nalento engizoyisho, mina bengizopush Aubrey Mutiba ngimjoinise lapha no Adams nomkwena because uRulani used to play him there and uyambona ukuthi another way reader ngakhona igame ukuthi kahle kahle position yakhe lo muntu phambili play Ndamane as your left back ufaka uKekana ufaka uKekana ufaka uCupido usalimele let's hope play injury yakhe ayikho serious. I'm just hoping ayikho serious injury yakhe, but that's what I would have done if I was a coach Mikel Cardoso. Asivale sikhulume ngeteam yakho. The only team that you never criticize, the only team that can never do wrong emehlweni wakho nanoma sibona ukuthi wena uwe still obancengayo obakhulumelayo. uDlodile Lepo is very childish. uDlodile Lepo childish. Lento akayenzile against AmaZulu is so stupid because for me now you're one of the most important players ku Chiefs. Like uKhilo amjida ku attack iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs yamdinga as much as they've secured the third spot but kumnandi ukuthi ba win igame yabo yokugcina just ukuthi ama supporter abe nento yokucelebrate ukuthi bafethi Chiefs agcina nini ukuzwa ukuthi isidliwe. Yabo lo mjito uyahamba ukora igole elihle for iChiefs elibalulekile and then uyahamba yokhumula iskip uthole red card. Ngitshela bese kakhohliwe ukuthi izo red on yellow card.
uLilepo is phukuphuku. So ngeke mfethu uLilepo unamagoli ay9 this season ku Kaizer Chiefs. Ucelebrateani lapha ucelebrate ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iliyoli league. Yini into icelebrate ukhumule neskipa? Yini into important kangaka? Number 3 mfethu akukho unmovie anindawo ayikho into eshintshayo. Ukorile ukhumule neskipa for number 3. Udlalela iKaizer Chiefs la iJomo Cosmos mfethu. So iba serious, sicela nisathe serious Lilepo. Abantu bayafuna ukunibukela, abantu bayafuna ukuthi nibe khona but angazi nale ndaba le. Okay ngiyangazi le ndaba le ka Lilepo njalo bamdlalisa ama game noma ngibona ukuthi hayi mele badlalisa ama youngsters yabo because I number 3 say secured. Ngicabanga ukuthi ama coach weKaizer Chiefs bewa campaign for uLilepo ukuthi aye ku World Cup. Isquad seKongo siphumile akekho uLilepo. Angithi bebaloke bathi yena nama agent wakhe bakhuluma nama publications bathi une chance yokwe ku World Cup. So ngeke akayi ku World Cup uLilepo ucelebrate number 3. It's embarrassing to be fair, to be honest ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs celebrate number 3. uPitso Msimane wayelena eMiddle East wabafethu wawini league ku second division. Labantu azange bayicelebrate nokucelebrate league because they knew ukuthi they belong ku first division la kudlala khona Ronaldo. So abolile baso celebrate number 3 mentally bakupholile udeserve ukudlalela iLloyd Durban City.
Yeah, ni Durban City ngiyabona bekumele ukuthi udlala lapha komtsipe maybe uBaroka lapha komtsipe foundation so, Black Leopards ingamfanele iBlack Leopards jokes aside any Black Leopards ingamfanele but the structure sakhe another way aqine ngakuphela uLilepo ukhuluma iqiniso akabonakala ukuthi waseKongo ungazi ukuthi umvenda noma umshangana
but khona into ebalekile ngoLilepo bafethu na ipositives engizoyisho ngoLilepo. uLilepo iplayer important ku Kaizer Chiefs and uLilepo akusiyi winger le exciting for mina akusiyi winger ngilifavor but uLilepo iplayer lemali yabo uyakora uya-assista njalo une-plan yena as long akorile assistile because uyazi ukuthi lezi zinto lezi ziyaccount i-agent lakhe mayimthengisa ngoba i-contract yakhe phela 2027 ku-Kaizer Chiefs bazomthengisa ngala ma-stats lawo ukuthi igame yonke bekashade ne-touchline laphana ekhoneni he can't take players on ayikho into ayenzayo but uyakora uya-assista so ulilepo iplayer lemali. By the way, Kaizer Chiefs is the best team in South Africa. They've been the best team this season with South African football. Why? Imagine bafethu from number 9 to number 3 abanye basuka ku number 2 baya ku number 1 abanye basuka number 1 balo just like bashintshe nje ilo one spot nje kuphela but Kaizer Chiefs 6 places. Are we not the best team in the country? Are we not one of the best teams on the continent in terms of improvement from the past season? Abanye ba improve kanjani kuphi ngoba basahleli ku number 2 namanje abanye basahleli ku number 1 namanje. Kaizer Chiefs we picking next season nizobona just nje kumele kuhambe abantu baningi abantu abangadeserve ukudlalela iKaizer Chiefs ngeke ngibasho ngoba nina nifuna sinese ama player khona umuntu bengikhuluma naye somewhere Stratini athi uMdusha bale is one of the best players in South Africa ngathi what
bafethu
what is one of the best
bese bajithe sibhema insangu
so mina inkinga enginayo nani bafethu niyangothando nifuna ukujaja abantu ngokweqiniso nithi yeah abakutshela ukuthi uInasho Miguel is the best defender in South Africa.
Love is blind and I think the way uthando lo blind ngakhona asifuni ukukhuluma iqiniso. I had an honest conversation ngomfundo Vilakazi. Abantu bathi umfundo Vilakazi must start ngithi umfundo Vilakazi is not ready. Umfundo Vilakazi under a good coach ko Kaizer Chiefs is not Kaizer Chiefs material. Under a good coach and ngizokutshela ukuthi why. Umfundo Vilakazi unokungena sometimes a struggle kakhulu egamini. Mara shayitsa maye one then sahlanya. Same thing that happens to Tito. Then you forget ukuthi ne man uthe makaceda ukushaya la tsamaya I final pass ye kuphi. Wenzeni after uqeda ukushaya la tsamaya. The reason Mfukeng is outshining a lot of young players ku Betway Premiership is because uzothi vala vula but final pass yakhe boxing. And most times a final pass yakhe iya epaleni bheka ama assist Mfukeng akanawo versus Umfundo Vilakazi versus uMdusha Balala bheka ama goal Mfukeng akanawo versus Umfundo Vilakazi versus uMdusha Balala. The reason Mfukeng is one of the most hyped players sikhuluma ngayo it's because ibhola la kaMfukeng la phambili Mfukeng hardly goes back. Mfukeng makaya move esikhathini esiningi usuka yo collect ibhola or yo add number at defense when the team is attacking makaphethe ibhola sharp uyathanda ukukhatha in but amakhathini wakhe abalekile and the way I improving akona kule season or direct although I inconsistent I still maintain is very inconsistent mara seka direct and yabona ukudlala nabo Ozuna Police has had a positive impact kuye mina ngithi umfundo Vilakazi is not ready until Chiefs imsignela the right players to play nayo mfana mostly experienced players ushilo utso Vilakazi alungisa ifan le Chiefs la athi ngicela ukulungisa Bram at the problem is that you didn't go and hunt for experienced players to help these young ones so the reason it seems as though team iba so there isn't enough experience kule team and into enkulu that I took away from Mutso Vilakazi at if you look back at Chiefs of old Chiefs yabo Dr Khumalo nabo banibani abantu bebaze bayigxeka Chiefs but abafana baku Chiefs ba soft at because Chiefs never believed in high pressing football akusi culture Chiefs bephethe mfethu ama player masibamba ibhola shayitsa maye one uthi pass intimidating your opponents mfana nathi sama supporter we Pirates bekuthi makudlala iderby besifuna ukubona ama play we Chiefs kakhulu because you knew ukuthi Chiefs had those exciting players but we can't say that now so masiba judge us ba criticize us kuluma it's because we want the best for Chiefs mina nginandaba ne Chiefs angizondi umuntu waku Chiefs umfundo Vilakazi akangaza angifisi nanokuhlangana naye mangahlangana naye ngiyoidlulela futhi anginendaba naye but ngizomcriticize because I want the best for him as a young player because uno potential yokuthi angakhula abe one of the biggest players in South African football only makangayeka ukudlala ama Phillies game ku PSL makafuna ukudlala ama Phillies game akadlala ama Phillies game makafuna ukudlala ku PSL akadlala ku PSL
kune positive la kumele siveze kaMfundo Vilakazi i-team yonke eziKaizer Chiefs izifele Nkosi yami wonke ama game awazi ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izodlala ilo so mina ngikwazi ukuselect ama player few kuKaizer Chiefs ama standout performers this season yabo the reason why kuKaizer Chiefs best player of the season ku goalkeeper ukuthi team ife yonke every department ifile kuKaizer Chiefs yabo cha imagine best player ku goalkeeper inkinga but umfundo Vilakazi nayi positive udlalela ukuthola iKaizer Chiefs wrong and umfundo Vilakazi udirect mdu into ayenza umfundo njalo umbheke makabamba ibhola lalela mdu ngiyazi ukuthi no grade 3 but lalela njengalabantu aba reactor abasithukayo online umfundo Vilakazi umbheke maka uya direct uyabalanda abantu ne makabalanda isikhathi esiningi ucommit foul kumfundo Villas isikhathi esiningi makalibambile ibhola yabo maybe kunama foul ayi3 abawa committee ngendaba yakhe because na akazi ukuthi uzophasa abantu ngoba wonke amajita wana plan uSilva uhluleka ukutrap but uyi-professional football lase Portugal he can trap uyasaba nokumphasa umfundo Villas that is why afuna ukuzithathela iresponsibility umfana omncane so ulabana ku Kaizer Chiefs uthwele kanzima ngoba akadlali nama players are good enough noma awekho committed noma bafana labasindi ijezi or bajabulela ukudlalela iKaizer Chiefs abantu baphakamisa o2 uthi siba recognize emamoli babadlalela ifame i-team as a whole mawubheka yabona iOrlando Pirates they're the best team in the country in terms of like ukuba a team as a collective they are able to fight for one another
yabo as young as is uyakwazi ukushayina because i-team yakhe ihlangene but you are saying the second thing engishoyo ngithi mina umfundo Vilakazi ukuthi akanama player right around yena that's why sizo criticize sithi akekho ready because it's difficult for yena ukuthi ashayine the way kumele ukuthi ashayine ngakhona mfana mekuthi mele angene second half i-team idliwa 2-0 and then you expect him to make a plan uyophasa abantu that's why azothatha ibhola gibela enza amadolo nanani he'd rather entertain the crowd because now kushubile lapha but mina my biggest issue ne ku Kaizer Chiefs amfana mina I don't think umfundo Vilakazi kuphela iplay inswimbo lebo hangimabuye ufikile wasibonisa ukuthi bafethu ngimnandi nyalazo Bradley Cross uimprovile this season Bradley Cross improved this season. He's had a few games. Aiden McCarthy, not Aiden McCarthy. Aiden McCarthy has been solid, and I can't wait for Dudley to be fully recovered so that Badalebu too, because Bazomane combination is.
I don't think Dudley ngicabanga ukuthi career yakhe iphelile.
Usase injured nama?
Yeah. Uyaziwa ngithi ACL lento le iyomhlupha forever lento le bazoma advise ukuthi angaphinda shay sliding tackle ngoba wayaphasi ngedolo uzothinteka futhi yabo but asazi maybe ama medical doctors we Kaizer Chiefs azokwazi ukumsiza but i Chiefs ayikubaningi abantu khona i Chiefs kuphuke wonke umuntu angazi ukuthi i team noma isibhedlela mfethu abalimele uMatlow uye uDodley uNtwari ngababala kuze kube kusasa oboshinga ushinga kadlalanga nokudlala one game
abontwari nabomatlo akusabantu ukuthi vele bebazo improve i situation untwari phela wabona bafana yamenzana kusukela lapho nje confidence yakhe yaphela bambhoboza lapha kubafana yaphela
i-confidence ubani untwari ubani obhethe untwari novuma
abutuba bet mfana abutuba bet and as while sisasekulo conversation yama goalkeeper ngifuna uqala la koLorlando Pirates the reason yokuthi uSipochina kana competition koLorlando Pirates ingabuyi imlimaze lento le because actually it could even affect the team. It's like Ronwen Williams playing wonke ama game eMamelodi Sundowns makalimele ukhona uDennis Onyango mara question is ugcine nini ukudlala the same thing as Qedukisho ngesimpiwe Slepe so my advice to Orlando Pirates would be either promote lo mfana we DDC abe second choice or bahambe bayofuna ugoalkeeper ozokwazi ukuthi acompete no Sipochane for lineup. You look at iKaizer Chiefs if uvuma naye bekantswemo mfana iKaizer Chiefs kube yiyo mfana eshakwa sani ngabo goalkeeper South Africa but because uvuma naye umbobo again na ku Chiefs maklimela uPeterson abana solution epaleni ku Sundowns maklimela Ronwen Williams abana solution so depending on one player and you expect that player to play throughout the season adlala iCAF adlala iLeague adlala iNedbank adlala MTN 8 adlala iCarling knockout it's really unfair and shout out to defense Orlando Pirates for always protecting Usipochane but for me I don't think Usipochane should be goalkeeper of the season. He didn't have to make a save ebuyisi Pirates game or that keeps Pirates in the game. Ayingakama save mfana lo mfana uPeterson awenzile save Chiefs. Ayingakama save lo mfana uPeterson awenzile that kept Chiefs in the game. Ubonile against the Sundowns mfethu. Bekabonisa boLeon umhlolo. I'm sure boLeon bebazibuza ukuthi lo mjita lo ubuya. Yabona and also Ronwen Williams wehlisile kakhulu iform yakhe kule season le I think it's the first time in a very long time that he's been tested wagcina ukutestwa ku SuperSport I'm sure lo mjita lo uthe makafika ku Sundowns wathola i-team lapha emuva i-Sundowns always invested kuma defender wabo man yazibeka ukuthi magnet defender lishisa i-team inethile balithathe ballethe la so up from abolibusa nabo banibani abolangamani mfana i-defense ye-Sundowns has all Tabontet the list is endless i-defense ye-Sundowns has always been solid which has always made it easy for our goalkeeper wabo ukuthi badlale but this season ama team because iSundowns italk drop kancane abo Pirates baphakamisa ama team ayilandela iSundowns ama team attackile iSundowns iTS Galaxy iTS Galaxy football abayibonanga idefense eSundowns abayibonanga nabafika ku the last line of defense wavuzanyana which is a bit concerning for me go World Cup because we know mazidlala ama tournament amakhulu ukuthi abo Mudiba yilaba aba exposed khona ukuthi when it comes to man marking we are short yabona
so indaba yabo goalkeeper yazi mina angihloniphi defense Orlando Pirates ngihlonipha nje team yonke Orlando Pirates ngoba wonke umuntu ulo uyamaka yabo uyamaka fere ku Orlando Pirates wonke umuntu uya defend oswena police mayiluza ibhola yakwazi ukutracker back bonke bayasizana man as a team so ukubona maybe iplay elifana no Swipo Chain noma goalkeeper ofana ne Swipo Chain abana clean sheets anga credit to team as a whole credit to Evidence Makgopa ngoba defensive strike yabo credit to Mbuthuma because siyamazi naye ukuthi uyakwazi ukusebenza strong abe hard worker so bonke ku Orlando Pirates ba ma hard worker this season that is why bakule position la bakuyo but goalkeeper sinabo manje bafethu sikhuluma iqiniso ingakho manje nje ukuthi uSipho ulona uRonon Williams bayamtesta kakhulu bazomtest eMorocco uzosurvive na but soyibona igame in the next few days
mina ngworried kakhulu going to the World Cup ilazo testwa khona kakhulu he'll be tested at the highest level
mezi kizoshafo
and as mina mfana I don't know if I'm optimistic mara usually mangiqala ngiba against into yenzeka ngasho sila studio ngathi Sundowns ngekiwina zange win iSundowns bafana izoyidla iMexico. My only concern is the 2 games after lapho. But anyways, asivalela so besingekho favor sikhuluma ngale. Labo coach abawu2 ba Kaizer Chiefs mfana bathatha team buyback ku number 3. Kaizer Chiefs is the most improved team in the league. There's a lot of players aba improvile ku Chiefs under Lamachita lawo yitu. There's a lot of players aba yehlisile performance ku Chiefs. Under Lamachita lawa yitu. Brendan Peterson is one of the few players aba improvile under Lamachita lawa. Bekavimba ku Nabi but hey bombona ndu Nabi ku da hey you understand sure. But ku Lamachita lawa yitu uimprovile ube sharp. Do you think Kaizer Chiefs mele bagcine Lamachita lawa or Lamachita lawa kwamele utavike Chiefs?
Yo lento lenjalo sibuza week in and week out kuzoba trick ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ithole ucoach omusha because ucoach omusha uzoza ne structure sakhe uzoza ne technical team uzoza nabantu aba different Kaizer Chiefs izofinisha ku number 11 futhi or ku number 9 uzothi nginikeni 3 seasons ukuthi ngilungise izinto yabo ningasho ukuthi nifuna manje ngishintshe izinto manje ngisaqeda ukufika manje labo coach laba as much as bangasiyo bo coach abagood but baye understand iKaizer Chiefs mina what I would say ukuthi ababagcine labo coach laba yabo bathole ihead coach ke yabo because uyu umuntu owazi bayazazi izinto baza ama player kuKaizer Chiefs bayazi ukuthi kumele improve obani kanjani bayazi ukuthi okay ucele next season iKaizer Chiefs ayimdingi yabo bangabona ukuthi okay nangu uLebo Hang Maboy singakwazi ukubuild team around yena so kuno Peterson kuno Lebo Hang Maboy kunamanye ama player obona ukuthi anga improve abo Silva and then abanye bazobalethela maybe bazosayina ama player amaningi kakhulu kuKaizer Chiefs but abo coach kumele bahlale but as a head coach no ngicabanga ukuthi kumele bahlale basize as ama assistant coach but they've done well as ama plumber they've done well ibhola labali ibhola la oh man yana lento important ibhola leKaizer Chiefs liphuwa iKaizer Chiefs ku number 3 namhlanje ngoba icompetition ayikho ku PSL amaZulu niyawabona nani ayi lo isikhukhune United niyasibona so yipi team beyicompete serious beyigijimisa number 3 it was a given
so I said at the start of the season lapha iChiefs number 2 iPirates number 14 or 15 iChiefs lokuthi asikhulumi nabantu abaku relegation zone thina hey what iKaizer Chiefs ama fixture iwafavile kule season besides the fact ukuthi ama team awekho mnandi yabona lama team owabalile imagine playing against Orbit College back to back Saturday Tuesday besodlala namagesi FC mawusuka lapho udlala neTS Galaxy mawusuka lapho udlala nesikhukhune naso bese struggle kunama game washa away for we can't really say ukuthi ama team ibuyile ama team lawo vele bekumele ukuthi uyawadla right but under these 2 coaches ne into engingayisho iChiefs became a better team under Lamachita lawo too it became a better team ziningi izinto mina engavumelani nabo ngazo abazenzayo for example lento yokungadlalisa Ethan Chislet for mina lapho bazibhayizisile because lomjita usibonisile ukuthi ucreative and uyalazi would not giving asavele one asanele vele by enough game time lo mfana lo Batman babamgaya ngegame time naye beka deserve I think also that kunamanye ama game la bekumele badlalisa umduwa bamdlalisi njengale derby bazoluza 3-0 umduwa akadlali uyazibuza like bafane no owadu kancane ba experimente kakhulu lamajita kule season and then bayeke towards the end of the season experiment but let's just push the team le kube yiyedlala and then leyo team leyo ba build up a combination none but sometimes we tend to blame the coach where is he blame mele kube kuma player ama player we Chiefs bangazimiselanga this season ama player we Chiefs didn't play like they wanted to play ku PSL kule season basayina ama player overseas mara lawo ama player overseas awabonakalanga bono Shinga bono Silva bona like maningi lama player lawa bawasayinile bewangaveli bewangabonakali
uSilva ushaye 8 goals
yeah but akabonakalanga
uyinkomo yena marushaye 8 goals yeah
but that's why ngisho ngithi ama fixture abafavile in the small fixtures he came through and scored in the big fixtures uhlulekile well against Sundowns ukorile nyazi bosofuna ukuya lapho yo nyazi ukuthi bosofuna ukuya lapho yabo so yeah, but I still think ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs can do better. And mina I plead ne management yabo, ne scouting department yabo. Ngicela iChiefs this season ezayo. Bayeke ukusayina ama player aphelelwa ama contract. Bahambe bayosayina actual players that are important to teams. Mfana hambani nokokota no negotiate lo mfana lo besikhuluma ngaye manje ngithi anga contribute ku defense yeChiefs uncanana. Hambani ku Durban City nimbonile ukuthi wenzeni go sign uncanana adlale noMcCarthy that's if uDodley akabuyi and then niyahamba nakuma team afana nabo uGolden Arrows hamba yokokotela lo mfana uNdlovu before iPirates imthatha but it's looking likely that iPirates izomthatha yabo so iOrlando Pirates ifunde from Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi if you want to beef up your squad you don't beef up isquad ngama player aphelelwa ama contract lawa thina swabiza ngama reject isquad sakho ngesibhifeke ngalabo bantu lakho you beef up isquad sakho hamba yolanda ama player abalekile asayine go overseas mfana yabona if isebenzela abanye nawe izokusebenzela hamba yaphesheya uyosayina umuntu uNtswembu umlethe nizosilandela abo uSilva udlale lapha na but uyambona ukuthi nje inyawo zakhe ziqinile nanani but personally I think amajidamela vayi iKaizer Chiefs must find another coach.
Ngiyakuzwa Prime yazi ngicaba khona into engicabangayo the best names or the biggest players this season ku Betway Premiership khona umfana abafane kumele sikhulume ngabo la khona umfana odlalela amaZulu ubani uHadebe abanye bathi uRadebe what a player bafowethu what a player so yiwo ama player kumele abe adlalela ama big team
lo Dion lesikhuluma ngayo
yeah so khona ama player lezi afana nabo Phili khona ama player afana nabo Titus khona ama player wona afana nabo Ndlovu maningi ama players akukhona ugumede ku Richards Bay futhi kunama superstars amaningi mawangathola ama opportunities kwamanye ama team angadlala but iChiefs yona uzofuna ukusayinela Gwanduraga yabo ubona ukuthi nawe mfethu yabo
bazofuna ukusayinela abo Morris by the way imele bamrelease
uKoril bazothi uKoril uzoba
hambani
bazothi uKoril
Chiefs ayi waste salary la
yeah
yabona lapha yana ba waste salary la salary lana could be earned by umuntu akudidisi Ntswembu funny enough iChiefs inama player akudidisi yazi iChiefs inama player akudidisi
uyazi iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi loan ama player I think close to 10 inama player walone kuma kulo ku NFD inama players eBotswana so kunama players at different ngisho labafana laba ku DDC team kunabafana why unganiki uhlongana ichance ukuthi uMorris why unika uMorris ichance ukuthi adlale umuntu akana chance ukuthi a rescue team akana chance ukuthi adlale next season thatha le opportunity leka Morris ufake uhlongwane kuphela
and then I think omunye umuntu that the Chiefs need to part ways with ibhlungu mfana nyaza abantu ababhayibe bamthanda uSamkelo Zwane akayenzelanga next Chiefs la mfana loya I said at the start of the season sisasebenza no Renelo Thulunyane la ngithi Hotman le position lewa uyidlala ever since wahamba iChiefs ya struggle ukufind umuntu ozodlala the way boyidlala ngakhona or even better Samkelo Zwane is too casual ucasual that's why nakusulele bangamfaki another way adlala ngakhona you see isocial media mfana imoshile amajita bhaya once you sign for a big team like iKaizer Chiefs it's as if you forget ukuthi nasikusayina la mfana mele ukore mele ucreate mele swina ama trophy nanani ujabulela ifame ukuthi bayamshoot abo Vino Snaps uyavela samposter bese uyasiqhinela nanani lo mfana number 1 mele ashaye chiscope shy chiscope yabona makanga shy chiscope maqeda lapho alungisa igame yakhe yokudlala uzoba sharp
Adams nayo yabo shy chiscope kwashintsha right
uthe Adams maka shy chiscope bheka manje sekanjani Adams sekayashisa so I think nomdusha balala makanga shy chiscope so bonengi into but I think he's another player na mfana amela up game yakhe
5 years as a professional
Mtu Shabalala needs to up game yakhe he can't be a promising player for 5 years
the same thing yenzakala kulo yenzakale kuNgcobo uHappy Mashiyane uvuma banisikhathi bana how many years la majita la professional but ayikho into abake bayenza
you can't be a promising player for 5 years
7 8
you can't be a promising player for 5 years and into ebhlungu is that slogo city young 22 23 uyakhula in terms of football age maso lapho ko 22 23 so uqala so ne experience abanye abantu by 23 seka win ne league by 23 sekadlalile ku CAF by 23 sekagijima kubafana bafana Mhawunkota we having a difference Mhawunkota mfana seka achieve okuningi
sure
I understand under 25 sekabuye kuyodlala iAfcon ubuye kuyodlala iCAF ubuye kuyokore Morocco sekadlala overseas win ama cup neOrlando Pirates he's played with derbies he understands what it's like playing a game ego high tempo nanani so umdu shabalala ngiyazi ngihlangane nefans nini nathi ke mathamfethu ngicelwe attack umdu ngithi kule fan ngimathek umdu I see a lot of potential in umdu but I feel like umdu doesn't see the potential in himself I don't think umdu yena knows what he has in him nama legend now is alive studio the way bathanda ukukhuluma ngakhona ngomdu ukuthi it's just that you haven't seen the best of umdu it means that umdu is not showing us his best makadlala ku Chiefs so he has a lot to
kufana no Rile Mfukeng yabo Rile Mfukeng njengemcindezela kanje bafethu asikaboni lutho lwamuntu superstar
wena utho ukhola 4000 uthe ukhola 4000 umfukeng wena umfukeng uyambhesha awumncome
lo muntu okay umrile Mfukeng mina causes bengimbukela even na lapha na intwana but urile Mfukeng superstar bafethu ngicabanga ukuthi asikakaboni nix but kuzoya ngaye nanokuthi bafuna ukuthi mfethu so umfukeng bekadlala nomunye umuntu engiclose naye ukuthi ngeke ngisho ukuthi ubani lo muntu superstar asikakaboni nix so ngizomcindezela urile Mfukeng until abe the face of African football
so yeah umdu shabalala at his best can play for Bafana at his best he can even go overseas
what is Mdu Shabalala's best
I think right now for me ngibona umjita who's not playing to his full potential ngibona umjita ungathi sometimes uyatswafa ukudlala ngibona umjita sometimes ngathi he wants to entertain the crowd too much
akakwazi ukubamba ibhola phase ufuna ukubamba trap athatha abantu
it's like mfana senza ama videos khuluma ngawo you are more focused on what we are saying than what you should be doing on the field mina nawe singakhuluma all like but ekugcineni into ibalekile into oyenzayo egroundini phela one thing about thina la on our platform we are honest and fair mawudlale kahle sakuncoma bengimncoma uTito emalangeni mawudlala umpetho siyabuya sikhulume ukuthi lo udlala umpetho I don't think we'll ever see the best of uTito I don't think it gets any better than what we see.
So
with all due respect,
ama fans amosha uTito
with all due respect,
bamosha uTito.
We are not. It doesn't get any better than this. Leaka Tito, that's how he plays.
But it's better than Jomo Son.
Ngiyakhumbula ba compare uTito no Jomo Son. But mfana just in closing, sivale lento le. Umfundo Vilakazi kumele ukuthi improve if he wants to continue playing ku Kaizer Chiefs because yazi into ebhlungu imanagement engakuthanda but should management sign a coach abamuphi freedom coach athi ngimnandi you'll find yourself playing for a small team and then sakhohlwa ukuthi uke wadlala but you had 5 years to prove yourself and Hugo Bruce umbizile kuBafana it means the potential esibona Hugo Bruce uyayibona but this boy is letting himself down you understand it's like Maskala ngomfukeng ukuthi in big games mfana la mele ukuthi uvele khona awuveli boy if awuveli in those big games where the whole world is watching la ma scout lawo sitoko sithi kanti umfukeng uhamba nini do you think they draw interest now because bavele babone kahle utalo uyatatazela makudlala igame ekhulu Kylian Mbappe makangatatazela ngeL Clasico yoshawa ibench they don't need you to shine against Sevilla bakufuna lapha yana ngeL Clasico baba where the whole world is watching
Thule size Mbuyani koOrlando Pirates bekadlala wonke ama derby ngoba ku derby beka important
na against Sundowns futhi Sundowns bekangayiboni yabona uthula size Mbuyane Sundowns bekangayiboni so you look at those things uLionel Messi mfana bekuthi makudlala eL Clasico baba bekakushayile hat-trick bese uRonaldo naye
ashaya hat-trick against iBrazil uMessi
you understand uRonaldo naye ashaya hat-trick isikole kube i3 korebo nabo u2 uMessi abuya create uRonaldo abuya create then you like abafethu this is a player because in a big game he shows up then umthathe bathi udlala neSevilla ashaya 5 goals yabona but naku El Clasico uyakora it's what Tsepang Moremi did Tsepang Moremi wakora against the Chiefs bafethu nge first derby yakhe Ozuna Police wakora nge first derby yakhe sold out stadium wonke umuntu ahlanya memeza lamajita lawa came through and they did the job for Orlando Pirates so I just think maningi ama player that have a lot to improve amajita kumele ukuthi up game yabo I feel like no evidence Makhupa we are not seeing the best of Makhupa and mina kuleya ka Makhupa ngiblame coach mfana on games la Makhupa ngangena kore kusasa kadlala bese la bampaka khona bampaka sekushubile ngama last minute or expecta ukuthi abonakale so ama players that we need to look out for next season for me now given the way amba coach azobadlalisa ngakhona uSimpiwe Slepe la mfana loyana mfana there's something in that boy Cameron Denson ngizombala umfundo Vilakazi because he's still a promising player nomdu Shabalala they still promising players and then evidence Makhupa ama player kusamele ukuthi aphi game yabo basibonakalise ukuthi bagcwele ngani bangafana no Tebza maybe kumele bahlale no Tebza kancane no Tebza bafundise ukuthi boy kumele ube confident mawuphethe ibhola kumele ugijima ubonakale ungasindwa ikhanda noma lilikhulu thank you
Bafethu sibonge ngokusijoina lana ku-Omni ngaphandle kwenu asilutho yabo kubalekile futhi bafethu ukuthi niscorrect la niscorrecta khona but I think kubalekile ukuthi sibe nama dialogue nama conversation yabo mina ngiyazibhedela ke yabo nawe bheda ku comment section uncorrect if ufuna ukungicorrecta la ungicorrecta khona but ngaphandle kwenu bafethu asinix siyabonga ukusijoina namhlanje igama lami nguNkuli Soccer. I'm the face of South African football, the biggest voice even online. No one is bigger, no one is greater. Angihlelanga la ngoba ngisiphukuphuku.
Igama lami uMdusibeko and I'm a Betway Premiership champion neOrlando Pirates. Aw, fasa bhakane. Danko, kancane boy. Sesizophumelela. Sayiphakamisa sathi Orlando Pirates 3 Orbit College 0. Danko.
Orbit College niyazi ukuthi kumele nenzeni?